How to navigate the Temu Influencer Program. To use your seedling balance, you need to come down. Like I said, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things down there, 5 titles. So I'm on the post one. There is the influencer post, share, invite, earnings. So when you come to the post, you can see your seedling balance there. I've just touched something else. Let's go back. So you can see your seedling balance there. Now, when you join, you're going to get like £8, about £8 to get an item, but it grows. That's a good thing about Temu. So you keep growing as long as you're fulfilling all the criterias, which includes posting videos and all of that. It's really easy, like I said. So you can see the second thing here, which is join campaigns to post. So there are different campaigns, so many different campaigns like this, and all the campaigns have their own requirement, what they want you to post. So these are the different campaigns. We're going to go back to them because I'm going to do some shopping with my own seedling balance. So these are all the different campaigns you can choose from to post, and let me just show you what it looks like. For example, if you come to this one, the home organization, you go to view, it shows you the brief on how you need to post. So it gives you like an example, and this is the best part of it here. So once you read this, you know what to do. Showcase, this is it. The guides is here. Then you go to, you come back here and you do pick sample. So these samples are all under the home organization picks. You can pick any sample that you like depending on what you need. So depending on what you want, you can just pick different samples, and you can come up here. You can see all tools, smart, to make it easier for you depending on what you're looking for. So furnitures, appliances, you can see different appliances. So yeah, you just pick what you need and then check out. So there is home. So these are things you can use in your home. There is the office. This is it. Where is it? Industrial, household, beauty. Okay, so yeah, the list is, yeah, this is it. It's a lot. It's a lot. So you can see it here. We're still in beauty. So there's the art and craft. You can pick something from there. You can go to women. You can pick something from here if you want some clothes. Yeah, accessories, you can pick something from here also depending on what you want. You can go to toys for your kids, nephews, niece. There is a lot here, like a lot. It keeps going. You can go to cell phone and accessories. So like I said, depending on what you want. So the good thing about Temu is it doesn't streamline you. Like you can choose from any of these ones. You can pick sample from here. Even has men, it has things for your garden. So this is the men. If you say you want to pick things for your garden, you can pick things for your garden. And yeah, that's it. It's still a lot, guys. There's kids shoes, there's kids, or if you want books. Yeah, so that's it. So once you've picked that, then you check out. That's just it. So let's go back. I'm going to be showing you something else. So remember I said these are the different campaigns, so you can pick from anyone. The one I just did was the home organization find. If you want this one, the mom, baby and kids, you can pick samples from there. And remember, they all have their own brief, so you need to read it. Like this one now, you have to use the £0 gift at £0 if you're using this campaign. So that is it basically for this. When you come down to your page, you're going to see earning guide for post approval. So if you're using this has to be there. You have to put this on screen text. Just copy it and put it there. Copy the caption and put it on your video. So this is how to show it on your video. It needs to be like this, and like this on the caption end. So it's pretty easy. They've told you everything. These are the do's and don'ts. So this is it. And once you've done that, you go to the campaign and then you submit. That would be another video. So remember, if you missed the first one, you can go back and watch that video and understand how to start. So yeah, that's it. If you have any question, leave them in the comment section and I'll do my best to answer them.